Just like a prayer, I take you there. And like a dream to me. Just like a dream to me. What's up, Nazi? Nazi Africa? How's your trend on gold? Do you mean trade? Is you talking about trade, my brother? Is you talking about the trade? Just like a prayer, I take you there. JJ, what's happening, man? The man JJ's in the chat. Talking about the trade. I haven't entered any trades so far today. I was looking for buys today above these levels here, but no trade there. Price continue bearish. So I'm gonna be looking for trades below 2319.395. If I can get them. Just like a dream to me. So yeah, I'll be looking at sales below this level right here. Sales below 2319.395. I'll be going full margin, full risk. Thanks for the response, no worries. But yeah, I'll be going in heavy. Just like a prayer, I'll take it there. Just like a dream to me. You took any trades today, Nazi? You guys took any trades today? So yeah, I was looking based on the 4-hour time frame pre-learning session. I was looking at this, you know, move to the upside here. We can see obviously price is trending up, pulling back, trending up, pulling back. And then, you know, I saw this level in here being formed. Nice rejection right here. You know, 1, 2, 3 into this level, 2, 3, 3, 3.865. And then price started to turn around, right? We made a higher low, a high, and then a higher low again, and a new higher high over here in the 4-hour time frame. And so I was anticipating that after this candle right here, price would push up and continue bullish, but it hasn't. So now price has sold up to the downside, so I'm going to be looking at sells. Sells. What's up, Kerry? How are you, Kerry? How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing today? How are we feeling after last night? How are we feeling after inflation news last night? Did anyone take any trades after the stream? Just like a dream to me. Just like a prayer, I'll take you there. All good? So yeah, we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. While Sal, I'm looking at Sal's Ganesh. I'm looking at Sal's below 2319,395. I love how people just come in and ask that. Buy or sell? Yo, Ethan, thank you for sharing the stream over on TikTok. I appreciate you. But yeah, Sal's below 2319. Buy or sell? Sal's below 2319,395. No hello or nothing, guys. You know what I'm saying? Ganesh, Croy. What's up, Cody? How you doing, man? How's it going? Just buy or sell. Just give me a signal. That's all I care about. I'm like a machine to you guys. Just like a prayer. Hi, Kerry. What's up? What's happening? There we go. What's up, Rena? Rena? How's your day? Should I buy or sell? That's better, Croy. How are you doing this fine day? Oh, I'm doing good. I'm doing very well, thank you. How are you guys doing? I was on the sell, certain close. You was in a sell, Nazi? From where? But yeah, Croy, I'm looking at sales below 2319,395 today. Let's see if we get them. Market is clearly making, this downtrend structure now. We tapped into this key level over here. As you can see, we tapped in. Price started projecting. We've come down and broke levels over here. We are rejecting off this level right here. 2325,740. So, if price starts to close below here, I may look at a sell, but I would really prefer sales below 2319,395. That's what I'm going to wait for today. How much is your bigger loss in trading? $10 million. I wish. I don't know, man. Thousands. I once blew a $10,000 account. I was new to trading. So yeah, it's got to be in the 10, 20,000 potentially. What's up, Insane? Insane COD. Are you a Call of Duty player? Dum, 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 dum. Ethan just sharing the live non-stop, man. I appreciate that, Ethan. My guy, Ethan, holding it down over on the TikTok. Just like a dream to me. Bum, bum, bum. How did everyone find inflation last night? Did anyone trade after inflation last night? Anyone? What's up, Bold? What's happening, Bold? How are you? Go meet Singh. Thank you for the follow. You good? That's good, man. How's your trading day going? You lost 100 after trading inflation, Croy? What's the take profit on the sell? Probably, like this level right here. This is like about a 30 pip range. Potentially here or down here at 2306,843. I'll probably be moving stops to break even right here if it hits this level, 2316,231. What's your win-loss rate on trading? I can show you right here my stats. Rajesh. So this is my trading journal since the start of the year. You can see I have a 61.54% win rate, a total account gain of 157.25% account gain since the 1st of January 2024, and 452 pips total profit secured. So my win rate percentage is 61.54%. Where are you from? I'm living in Australia at the moment, Gormy. I went in on a trade about 30 minutes ago and got a go at 233.241. 233.241. 233.241. Okay, what did you're buying? So you're in a buy bold. Very nice. What's good, Sab? What's happening, Sab? How are you? The boy Sab. Where in Australia? Melbourne. Melbourne. How's stream? Stream's good, man. Streams were insane yesterday. Sab. Stream was insane yesterday. We peaked at like 428 viewers on TikTok. And YouTube as well had like, 38, 40 or so people in. It was insane. Hi, bro. I'm a beginner. Can you advise which platform? This is TradingView. This is TradingView, Fitzag. Rajesh, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. What broke do I use? FP Markets. FP. I need to post on Instagram that I'm live. Live. Let me just get the link. I'm just posting to Instagram, guys, that were live. Just give me about literally 2 seconds. I need about 2 seconds. There we go. All done. From where? You never heard of FP Markets? FP Markets are a giant in this broker industry, bro. You waiting for a retest or longing ready? Billy Bob, Sal's down here, bro. Nowhere on this chart does it say that I'm in a long position, or I'm looking for longs, or I'm looking for buys. What's up, Tony? Here comes the man, Tony. The man of the hour. How much is a good amount to put in for first time trading Forex? I would say like $50 to $100 to get used to trading with real money. $2,330 sell or TP is 2,310. What? What's up, Seal? I'm not sure what you're asking, Ganesh. Yo, Tony, you're killing it right now, bro. How you feeling, Tony? Let me know. Let me know your thoughts right now. Let me know where you're at mentally. Let me know where you're at mentally. What's going through that brain of yours right now, man? PPI can have a pretty big impact on gold for sure. Still, not as big as inflation or like NFP, but it definitely can have a big impact. Yo, Olarato, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok, my guy. Welcome to the TikTok. Let's get up Forex Factory. Let's get it up. Forex Factory. So core PPI and PPI right here. Okay, so we've also got unemployment claims. Did I miss that? Unemployment claims. Or is that like the next day? Where's unemployment claims? 10:30 p.m. tonight. So no, that we've got unemployment claims apparently on the USD, although that's not showing on TradingView. But yeah, unemployment claims can be pretty big as well. Is it hard to start trading Forex, Rajesh? Yeah, it's very hard. If you don't have the right, if you don't get the right guidance and education, then starting Forex can be very difficult, very hard. You can lose a lot of money. And you can also lose a lot of hair. You can see me, I have all my hair, right? That's because I know what I'm doing. But if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna lose your hair. Hello guys, can you tell sell or buy? I'm looking for sales below 2319395. Where would you look for buys in this chart, sir? If it breaks the, I wouldn't be looking for buys right now, JJ. I wouldn't be looking for buys right now. Imi here, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, man. So yeah, we've got PPI. We've got core PPI, PPI, and unemployment claims. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to see how the market reacts. How much are you in right now? I'm not in anything right now, Rajesh. I'm not in anything right now. What's up, Nimbus? Here he comes, the boy Nimbus. The boy Nimbus. We shouldn't trade before news. To be fair, like I wouldn't take PPI as serious as inflation or NFP. So if you do see a setup like within the next like hour or so, then potentially, but like leading up into PPI like a good like hour or half an hour before, then you definitely don't want to be in any trades. You just don't want to be in any trades when this news drops, basically. Would be my advice. Yeah, bro. Right now I'm on a 5-win streak. I'm feeling good. Gonna take tomorrow off most likely. Up 3% this week, and on challenge 7% to go. Imagine if you just win 7 trades in a row, bro, and just like just smash your profit target. Imagine. But yeah, that's insane, bro. That's insane. So you're gonna take tomorrow off for sure? We got any news tomorrow? Or what we got tomorrow? Friday. No news tomorrow. You want to finish the week on a high note? Is that what you're saying, Tony? You want to finish the week on a positive note? Nimbus, I see you're clapping. You're clapping gold as usual, my guy. We got Tony. We got Tony. We got Nimbus, and we got Nukebat just in the Discord, going crazy. I love the way Nukebat is just like shrugging it off, like, oh, you know, some small moves from this evening, just casually, you know, killing it. Nimbus. No name as well, coming through with the profits. I wonder what Look at GBP USD right now. I don't trade GBP USD, my guy. 2341. 2341. Where? 2341. What, Billy Bob? All in buy now, says Saiful. All in a buy right now, he says. So everybody, make sure you listen to this guy in the TikTok chat, and you say, and you just get in a buy trade right now. Bum 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 bum. What the hell? Wait, does it not say a message with it? Interesting. Nuke bat is like a raid boss. Yeah. Oh, you're no name seal. Okay, my guy. I see. I see. Nice. Maybe I'm feeling tired. Yeah, because what time did you get up, Tony? What time did you get up to trade? What's up, Russia? XAU USD sell. Yeah, looking for sales below 2319,395. Should we sell? If yes, when? If you look at the chart E, it says right down here, sales below, right? So sales below 2319,395. This ain't Texas, ain't no hold'em. 2346 sell. 2346 sell. Okay, up here, very nice. We've got some predictions in the chat. We've got some predictions in the TikTok chat. All right, so I need to write messages with those Streamlabs things. This ain't Texas. Is the overall uptrend broken? Nah, not yet. I wouldn't say, Seal. Not yet. Lay your cards down, 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 down. Instagram. That would do it. That would do it. That would do it. Is this considered as scalping? Yeah, I scalp trade. What's up, 123? What's happening, bro? What's happening, broski? 123, bro. You just came in yesterday and dropped bombs, and then just left. You didn't even say anything, bro. You're crazy for that, my guy. Hey, just entered in a buy since 2329. Do you suggest it will continue up from 2329? I mean, what's your analysis, Noel? What's your game plan? What's your strategy? What's your analysis? Aways King and VN Lee. Appreciate the follows. Welcome to the TikTok live stream. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, I would say seal. Look, if we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, which is my favorite time frame to do analysis on, you can clearly see that right. This trend is definitely not broken. Definitely not broken. If you want to see a trend broken, what you want to see is price start to pull back here, make a low, pull back up, fail to break these highs, then come down and make a lower low, breaking this level right here. Then you can start to look for sell positions. But until then, the trend is still very much bullish. Why is my computer like going crazy right now? Calm down. Calm down. My TP is 2340. Was 2350, but seems too far. 234 right here. That's what you're looking at, like 100 or so pips. That's decent. But what's the analysis, my guy? Why did you enter along right here? Is it better to live in Aussie than NZ if you're a trader? Not necessarily, no, because London session usually happens, you know, around like the midday time for us. Well, not midday, like, you know, from 2 to 3 to 4, 5 p.m. That's when the London session will start, and then you get New York session, like, you know, later during the night. So I think being in New Zealand, Australia is a good place to be for trading. For example, right, if you've got like a 9-to-5 job or something like that, you can go to your job, then you can come home and you can still trade like New York session late on in the night, or potentially catch London session as well. 30-minute closing. Bum, 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 bum. See, this 4-hour candle has not created a bottom wick yet. So if price comes down and flips bearish after this, rejecting this level, breaks the lows, there's a high chance it's going to continue bearish, in my opinion. High chance. Bye. We wait for bearish. Yeah, below 2319,395. T Cam, appreciate the follow. Welcome to the TikTok. What football team do I support? Aston Villa, Lee. Aston Villa. Aston Villa. What team do you support? What team? If you're into football, what football team do you support in the chat? TikTok and YouTube. What football teams everyone support? West Ham. How did I know it was going to be a London team? Like if your name's Lee, for some reason, like I just had a feeling. Chelsea. Arsenal. LA Lakers. That's basketball, sir. All London teams right now. West Ham, Chelsea, Arsenal. I'm waiting for a Manchester City support or a Manchester United support to come in here. There's always one. What's gold doing? What's happening? Let's take a quick look at GJ while we wait for gold, actually. Let's take a quick look. Dun, 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 One of my members actually caught these GJ buys earlier. He caught these GJ buys from this 4-hour candle here. Caught it's like a 67 pip move on GJ, so it was actually decent. You named your daughter after Chelsea? Oh yeah. I didn't realise you was a Chelsea fan. Chelsea are not doing too well this year, man. Man City when they had Mahrez, not anymore. You like Mahrez? Yeah, Mahrez was a baller. Where is he now? Isn't he playing in like Saudi Arabia or something? Saudi. What's GJ doing on the daily? GJ daily's bearish. Yeah, I'm not even seeing anything on GJ, to be honest. I can't even look at any of the pair anymore other than gold. I try. I just can't do it. I can't do it to gold. I'm too loyal. Yeah, he plays in Saudi. What do you mean, Nimbus? Only trading gold? You used to trade everything. Are you a strictly gold trader now, Nimbus? Look at the influence I'm having on everyone. Yo, guys on TikTok, can you hear the music okay? Like, is it loud? Like, what do I think is gonna happen to gold during the news? Lots of volume potentially. Do you trade with leverage? Yeah, everyone trades with leverage, Billy Bob. Dominoes. During news, there's gonna be huge volume spikes as usual. I'm not gonna sit here and predict like an exact price where gold is gonna go, because that's impossible to do. We don't know the data yet. We don't know the data for CPI. We can't predict where it's gonna move until we see that data. So bam 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 ba da 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 dum dum. In the last 3 trades, made 148 pips, $3,139, and 8.7% on my account. What's up, Harringad? What's happening, bro? What do you think about ECB interest rate? European Central Bank. I really don't care, to be honest, Rumza, because I don't trade euro. So I'm only interested in USD news. So yeah, I have no idea, bro. What do you think about it? What do you think about ECB? I didn't mean to sound rude when I said that then, like I don't care about it, but yeah. You have lots of experience. Why still small account? Are you calling a $38,000 account small? You must be rich, my brother. You must be rich, my brother. This guy is rich. This guy is rich in the TikTok chat. I see you achieved your design, mate. Stable 30, yeah. 7 years of experience, bro. Where did you get 9 from? 7, my guy, 7. And 4, 5 of those years, like, yeah, 4 of those years were me learning, losing money, you know. You told me yesterday. I've never told anyone I have 9 years experience. Every single time I've said 7. How long did you trade? How long have I been trading for, Sarah? Must be rich trading his 100k demo account. Yeah, I definitely don't have 9 years experience, man. Coming up on 9 years though. Pretty close. But you got to understand, like, just because I've been trading 7 years, it doesn't mean that I've been trading profitably for 7 years, right? What do you think of PPI then? PPI, like I said before, like, you know, with these news events, I'm not going to sit here and predict what's going to happen. Like, I could literally just say our price is going to go up and price is going to go down. Like, we literally have to wait for those numbers to come out, for that data to come out on PPI. Otherwise, yeah, otherwise I'm literally just guessing. Slipping away. Are you trading any prop firms? No, I'm not trading any prop firms. I've been thinking about it lately, but every time I think about doing one, some shit comes out. Some firms get shut down. There's some dodgy shit going on, so I'm like, you know what? Forget it. Your strategy works way better on gold than crypto, Harangad. That's awesome. Cody, I've been motivated by you to start trading gold. Oh, we got another one. We got another one, Nimbus. Harangad as well. Harangad only wants to trade gold. Gold should be paying me at this point. I'm like a gold affiliate right now. I'm a big fan. Yo, appreciate that, my guy. Appreciate that. I'm becoming a cult leader. A gold cult leader. I just needed some help with what app I should set up on. He's talking about like a broker. Do you use TradingView, right, Harangad? Did you enter? No, I haven't entered anything. I'm looking for sales below 2319,395 at the moment. I'm not looking for anything else other than sales below here. No, I don't trade supply and demand. I mean, I suppose you could call these level support and resistance, but I don't trade support and resistance. They're more, I use them as levels for breakouts. So a breakout trader. Yo, Harangad, appreciate the rose. Dropping a rose every day, man. Appreciate you. A rose a day keeps the TikTok viewers high. I don't know, I just try to make something up. You are... Multi-time frame? Yeah, multi-time frame. Weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute. Yeah, broker, I use TradingView as well. Broker, I mean, there's lots of good brokers. If you go on TradingView and just click down here at the trading panel, down the bottom. Oh, you can't see it, but you know the trading panel down here on the bottom on a trading view. You just click it, all the brokers come up. And these are all good brokers here. So FP Markets, that's the one I use. IC Markets. What else we got? Oh, they've got rid of Pepperstone. Got rid of Pepperstone, man. Oh no, see all brokers. Yeah, Pepperstone have left TradingView. Interesting. Interesting. Oh no, there they are, Pepperstone. So you got Pepperstone. These are the ones I would recommend: IC Markets, Pepperstone, and FP Markets. And the rest, I'm not sure. I mean, you've got the ones like Awanda, FXCM, but not sure what the spreads are not very good on those kind of brokers. I don't think, unless they've recently brought out like a raw spread account. I'm not sure, but yeah, they're all Australia. FP Markets is Australia Capital. Like pretty much all of them are IC Markets, FP Markets, Pepperstone. They're all they're all Australia compatible. Won't even cost you a leg. Yeah, only regulated brokers are partnered with TradingView still. Do people live on Telegram callouts? I'm not sure. It depends on the person calling them out, Roy. If you get a good trader who knows how to trade and they're calling out good trades, and you're able to be active during the time that they are calling the trades out, then potentially, yeah. Yeah, I'm from Australia, my guy. Australia, mate. Well, I'm from England originally, but I live in Australia now. Gold wants to just start pushing bullish now. No, I haven't taken any trades today, Harrington. Only trades I've took this week were on Tuesday, I believe. Took 2 trades on Tuesday, or 1 trade, but 2 different positions. Made my money for the week. Basically, I made $2,432, 6% or almost 7%. I'm not interested if I don't take another trade this week. I ain't bothered. You put a buy on gold. Tidine, very nice. Yeah, I'm in Australia, Matrix. Australia. See, this is the beauty of just trading one pair, right? Especially when you have the capital. You don't have to, you can take, a couple trades a week, make your money, and then not stress too much, not trying to catch too many trades, not trying to be in the market too much, get overwhelmed. Take a couple trades a week, you've made your money, and then if you don't see anything you don't fancy for the rest of the week, you can just chill. You're in Sydney, Matrix. Let's go. Chitches, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang, my guy. SH212, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Been playing with Forex for years, still struggling. What are you struggling with exactly, Matrix? I'm gonna put 1,000 because that's all I have. I want to risk 1%, but I'm gonna make no money. Should I? Hell no. Do not do 10%, Harrogate. The purpose of trading right now, if you only have $1,000 account, is consistency. So risk 1 to 2%. Focus on consistency. Don't focus on profit. That will come with time. Keep adding to your account, right? If you have a job or if you have money that you can add to your account each week, if it's $50, $100, $200, just keep adding the money to your account each week. Compound your account as well as trade. And you're gonna start building your account nicely, right? But just be patient, bro. Don't be over risking, because the likelihood is you're not going to grow that 1,000. You're going to lose it if you risk 10%. I promise you. I promise you. So I don't want to see you lose that money. I want to see you hold on to it. That's important. Trading is all about protecting your capital, holding on to your money. You do not want to give your hard-earned money away to the markets. So, you know, just risk 1 or 2%, 3% max, I would say, if you're confident. But yeah. What you trade, which session? I trade gold during pre-London session, sometimes New York session. I think I overtrade. You overtrade. This is why I always say it's very important, Matrix. If you want to trade, right? I focus. This is what I do anyway, and I always recommend this to everyone on the streams and also my members, to trade one pair, one setup, right? One pair, one setup during one session, right? So for me, I trade gold, I trade breakouts of key levels, and I trade it during pre-London session. That is it. Sometimes I'll trade New York session, but that comes for me at like 11, 12, 1 a.m. in the morning, right? So usually I'm not awake during that time. But yeah, if my advice to you would be to choose one pair to trade, use one setup during one session, right? You don't need to be sitting at the charts all day for hours and hours a day, staring, waiting for a setup, and just focus on one session. I do a 4-hour gap, right? So I literally trade one specific 4-hour candle, which happens to be during the pre-London session. So yeah, we'll be trading news today. I won't be trading during news, but I'm going to be looking for a trade within the next like hour. But as it starts to come into PPI, maybe like half an hour to an hour before it, then I'm not going to be looking for any trades at that point if no setups happen during that time. Lisa, what's the most active session? On gold, for sure, it's a New York session, but you still do get a lot of volume on gold, potentially during that pre-London to London open session. So I like to trade that. It's a good time for me. It's like 3, 4, 5 p.m. depending on the the clocks and the what's going on with daylight savings and things like that. But yeah, it's a good time in the day for me. As I said, New York session is too late. I have a young daughter. I wake up early in the morning, so I don't have time to. I can't really trade New York session. It's too late for me. Australia time is hard, but Australia sounds good. Australia is the perfect time, Matrix. Really. You're in Sydney though, aren't you? So what's the time in Sydney right now? Do you coach one-on-one? Yeah, Matrix. You just trade, or do you other jobs? Yeah, just trade. Well, I do other things like the education, trading, and bits and bobs that I'm trying to get into for multiple streams of income. But yeah, mainly just trading. Oh, so you work at. So what time would you finish, Matrix? Gold type 3 on 5-minute London. Yeah, so Tony's got it down as well, and this is why Matrix. So Tony over in the YouTube channel, he's like, me and him have been good friends for a long time, and we've been trading for a long time, and he's just got back into trading again. He had some issues with prop firms. The one he was using got shut down and blah blah, but he's come back to trading within the last couple of weeks. And he's really took on that exact, the 3 rules, right? Trade one pair, one setup during one session. And he does the same as me, right? He trades gold. He trades the type 3 on the 5-minute time frame, and he trades it during London session. And he's won 5 trades in a row. He's up like 3% on his funded account. He's got 7% more to go until he passes. So that just shows you that it's proof, right? That just doing that small change from just trading one pair, one setup during one session can have a massive effect. But a lot of people can't do that because they're very impatient. They wanna take multiple trades a day. They want to look at the charts all the time. So, you know, just goes to show. How much is your course? Check the link in my profile, Billy. Time now is 8:51. Okay, so you're the same time as us right now. Same time as Melbourne. Oh yeah, you're in Sydney. Duh, I'm thinking about the other side of Australia. I am flexible as I own my own business. Oh, that's good, Matrix. That's good. So yeah, London session is around about. So I trade usually right now. It's at 3 p.m. because of the daylight savings. Clock's gone forward. Clock's gone back. So right now I trade from 3 p.m. till 7 p.m. and that's it. That's my trading window. I don't trade before that. I don't trade after that. Right now I'm doing the streams. This is the time I like to do the streams. If I wasn't doing the streams, I wouldn't even be looking at the charts right now. So yeah, that's the 4-hour window that I trade from 3 p.m. till 7 p.m. Based on daylight savings and clocks going forward or backwards. It's at one point in the year it goes to 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. And then another point in the year during summer, it goes from 5 p.m. till 9 p.m. like those windows. But yeah, that's the window that I trade. Let's have a look. Yeah, Sydney time is the same. Yeah, WA is different. That's what I was thinking of. I got a little bit mixed up there. Hang on. Chits. Chits. So I'm terrible at pronouncing names. So my bad. But yeah, go to my profile, bro, and click that link in my profile. Billy Bob, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. My other problem is always looking at different strategies I've downloaded. Yeah, see, that's the problem as well, Matrix. You got to find one that you're comfortable with, and you got to stick to it, you know, for the long run, you know. Like for example, I can show you my trading journal right now, and you're gonna see, right, my stats are not exactly amazing, right? As you can see right here, this is my win rate since the 1st of Jan this year is 61.54%, right? So that's not a very high win rate, right? It's over half. It's still good, but it's not that great, right? But I've still managed to grow the account by 157% since the 1st of Jan, right? And a total of 452 pips profit secured. So even though I have a pretty lowish win rate, I've still maxed out the account, right? I've took it from 10k to what is it sitting at now? Like 38, right? From 10k to 38k since Jan 1st with a win rate of 61.54%. So you need to find a strategy that you're comfortable with. You need to forget about all the EAs, forget about, you know, indicators and stuff like that. Trade price action, keep it simple, and you know, trading is very simple. I always say this: trading is very simple. So many people try to overcomplicate it, and I did it at the beginning as well, right? I was the same as you. I went through all indicators, all EAs, different strategies. I bought courses. I did everything, bro. And you know, in the end, what actually worked for me was stripping it all back to the very basics, and just focusing on price action, key levels, breakouts, one pair, right? And my consistency, the profit, the gains, it all started from that very moment. What's up, Squizzy? What's happening, bro? Buy or sell? I'm looking at sales below 2319395. Alwyn, bro, I blew the account again. No, Alwyn, what happened, bro? But I know not to give up. Here, sticking to one plan till the end, not giving up in the midway of the journey. Sure, I'm gonna reach there one day. What happened, Alwyn? How did you blow the account, bro? Did you trade yesterday during inflation? I bet that's what it was, right? Did you try and trade inflation yesterday? Please don't tell me you did, my brother. Please. Do you ever trade binary options? No, I don't trade binary options. Chilling. Just got back from footy and physio. Oh, nice, bro. Was it you, Squizzy, yesterday that was talking about you've dislocated your shoulder? You tried to trade yesterday during inflation, Owen? Man, but that's why we don't trade during those days, man. That's why I recommend, and I always say, do not trade during those days, especially like 2 hours before and 2 hours after. I would say, it's just best to stay out of the market. Oh yeah, that was you, yeah. So you had some physio today. How's it going? How's your shoulder going, bro? Did you dislocate it playing football? Man, like, when I hear people talking about dislocating things, man, that shit looks painful, bro. That shit looks nasty. Yo, Matrix, appreciate the follow, man. Thank you very much. Welcome to the TikTok. Can you give us the Excel sheet to make journal? So it's from a trader called Donvo, Billat. The journal's from a trader called Donvo. So if you just go Donvo on Google, go to his website and you'll see you can download it for free. It's free off his website. Do you ever trade binary? No, I don't trade binary. What are your thoughts on trading pool? Is that like where lots of people come together and put money into an account? Is that what that is, Harangad? Real account? Yeah, it's a real account, Matrix, real account. This has been tracked live on the stream since the start of Jan, pretty much. And in my private, you know, like in the Telegram and things like that, it's been tracked from there. What's up, Bernice? Cody, you live until? How long am I live for? Is that what you're asking? Probably another hour, maybe. Oh, it's an actual person. Trading pool. The guy in Melbourne. Search him on TikTok. Yeah, I'll search him up after the stream. Where are you looking for sales? Below 2319,395. But prices are pushing bullish right now. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. This 4 hour is still interesting me though, because it has no bottom wick. It's just flip straight bullish. This could just be a top wick being formed potentially before we come down, but yeah, it's chalked. It's chalked right now. Again. Trading pool is the guy, yeah. My bad. See you later, Tony. Appreciate you, bro. Have a good day, my brother. Yeah, I did hurt like crazy when I did after about a min was good. Oh, really? Did someone just like pop it in straight away or what? Pop it back? You gone into the AFL? I haven't. I'm just a massive football fan, bro. Like, you know, I'm from England, so it's just like you guys. It's just like you guys from here, like in Australia. You know how you love the AFL. Trying to watch, you know, the Premier League or something. You probably can't get into it. It's the same with me. I have tried watching it. One of my mates, he's really into it, and he's tried to get me into it a little bit. So I am a little bit interested, but yeah, I love football, man. I'd love to go to a game though, to be fair. Like those stadiums get packed out like crazy, so I think it would be a good atmosphere. I think I just need to take, because what happened, Squizzy, I moved from England to New Zealand, so I started naturally then getting into rugby. So I started learning about rugby and how rugby works, and then I was into rugby for a little bit, and then I moved over here and I saw AFL and I was like, Jesus Christ, now I gotta like learn the AFL. And I watched it. I watched a couple games and I was like, yo, what the hell is this game? This game looks crazy. So I will get into it. I will. Do you share your TradingView and template as a member? What does the membership include? Matrix, the journal template is from a trader called Donvo. So if you just search up Donvo on Google or whatever and go to his website, you'll be able to download it for free. But I mean, I think I can just make, I think I can make a copy, and maybe I can just send you the link. Okay, yeah, I've got yeah, I'll put it in the chat. I'll put it in the chat. Can you guys... Oh, wait. Why do I have to do this every time, man? Can you... If you copy and paste that link, it should just open a blank spreadsheet for you. A blank template. What is what, Bernice? Are you going to watch the Spurs in May? What, Spurs versus Villa? Yo, Jordo, appreciate the follow. Spurs versus Villa is going to be a massive game, bro. Because we're both going for that number 4 spot right now. We're like, yeah, it's crazy. It's a crazy race. All over the Prem, it's crazy right now. For first place, for 4th, and the bottom as well, the relegation zone. It's just crazy. You went to a couple grand finals? Yeah, I bet that was insane. Yeah, I mean, Squizzy, like football, like I'm talking about. I refuse to call it soccer, but I'm talking about soccer when I say football. Football is a simple sport, right? There's a ball, you kick it with your feet, and you try and score in the net. Whereas AFL, bro, like there's all types of shit happening, bro. Like it is a little bit hard to understand, but if I really wanted to learn and focus on it, I'm sure, I would. What's up, Murad? What's happening? How do I copy that link? Yeah, I don't actually know if you can off TikTok, actually, Matrix. Oh, Haringad said screenshot it, then copy text in photos. I didn't even know you could do that. That's insane. Anu-san, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Oh, if you're on Apple, yeah, if you have an Apple, if you have an iPhone. I do have an iPhone. I didn't even know that was a thing, bro. Still play FIFA, yeah. FIFA's goated. I haven't played FIFA in such a long time. Oh, gold, gold, gold. What are you doing? What do you normally do for fun? whatever my daughter wants to do. Yeah, the game, like, this is the thing with FIFA. It's the reason why I stopped playing it is because it's literally the same shit every single year, man. And they charge like what, like fucking $80 or something like that a year for it. And it's literally just the same shit. All that changes is the players move clubs, the kits change, but that's about it. And they say they update some kind of gameplay on it, but it's like, really? Did you really? Gold is teasing? Yeah, he's teasing right now. No, I like football. Harrogate, I like football. So I watch a lot of football in my spare time. Gaming, I like gaming. So I play some Warzone here and there, some Call of Duty. Don't really get much time to do that anymore, but yeah, I used to quite a bit. I like working out. I've got a gym. I've got a home gym in my garage. I like lifting weights. I like going for runs and stuff like that. Swimming. What else? Yeah, it's probably about it. It's probably about it. I'm easy with anything, man. I'm a very easy easy come, easy go person. Easy come, easy go. Did I say easy come, easy go? Easy come, easy go. Their business model insane, props to them. Yeah, it's literally just copy and paste, bro. Literally all that changes is the players and the kits. That's it. I really like the career mode on FIFA. Like, I've always been into the career mode a lot. It's probably the main thing I play in the game. I don't really play like the online, what's it called? Like, I don't even know what it's called. I don't even play it, but I always played the career mode. I always get like a really shit team from like the lowest league possible and like get them up into the Premier League and then win the Champions League with them and shit. Ultimate Team, yeah, Ultimate Team. I never played that. I've never played Ultimate Team once in my life. Smart Pips, Biller Effects. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok game. Short BTC at halving. Bum bum. Pick Euro USD. I don't trade Euro USD, my guy. I try not to look at pairs that I don't trade, just to keep a nice clear mind when I'm trading gold. Have some nice clarity. Not being overwhelmed and overstimulated by all different pairs. Sell now? You want to sell now, Sahil? Is that what you want to do? Yo, Spaghetto. Capellini, appreciate the follow. Ezekiel, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Thank you for the likes. What's up, Billa? Asking my opinion, I've got on the chart right here, down here, I've got sales below 2319 395. Bum, 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 bum. No trades now. No trades today so far, Squizzy. I was looking at buys pre-learner session, but they didn't play out. So now I'm going to be looking at sales below 2319395 potentially. See what happens. We'll see what happens. Smart Pip says buy. The link for what? The link for what, Billa? The journal? Any trades for you today, Squizzy? Now, this is the 5-minute chart, Dominoes. 5-minute chart. The 5. Ah, fair enough. Fair enough, Billa. See, that's why you need to get yourself an iPhone, bro. Fuck them Androids. Alright, let's see something. Let's see something. Who has an Android or who has an iPhone? I want to see something. iPhones are basic. For oldies, yeah. Well, I am old, bro. Android. I play both sides. You think so, Matrix? I used to be Android, but now I've got iPhone. Since I've gone to an iPhone, I've never been able to go back to an Android. I don't know why. iPhones are just so slick and just simple, like. Oh, your work phone is an iPhone, yeah. I do have an Android phone. I've got a Samsung. Like it's got a really good camera. The camera on it is insane, but I mainly use my iPhone. Like my iPhone is my personal. I made a little one for some practice. Sort of tried to replicate your strategy earlier. Not sure if I did it right. I'm still really fresh, but it won, so that's decent. Oh, nice. Could actually get your opinion on it if you want to know what time. Yeah, 100% Squizzy. Yeah, send it over, bro. Guys, we're losing to TikTok in the interaction with Cody game. Yeah, guys, on YouTube, come on. Your TV's even Android. Wait, yeah. I didn't even know there was Apple like TVs. I know there's Apple TV, but in terms of just buying a TV from the store. To be fair, I haven't had an Android in a very long time, so I'm not sure what they're like these days. Like I only use my Samsung for the camera. I've never actually like used it as like a personal phone. It was just for 1 PM and I bought at 2, 3, 4, 3, 6, 7. It was just before 1 PM. 2, 3, 4, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 3. So you bought in here? 2, 3, 4, 3. 6, 7. Sold at 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, nice. So you just got a quick little scalping. So what did you enter off, Squizzy? Like, what was the reason for your entry? Like a breakout of this level or something? Where's the music on? Music's done already. Nah, no way, Bradley. We did not get the 100 subs yesterday. Oh, you got it, Bitter? Let's go, bro. I think yesterday we got like 20 subs on YouTube or something like that. Proper full Android TV shit. Whatever I have on my phone, I can put it on my TV. Oh, that's actually sick, Matrix. Like, just transferring whatever you have on your phone to your TV. That's sick. Like, I wish Apple would do something like that for sure. That would be sick. Do you teach the full strategy? Yeah, full strategy, 100%. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it's a scalp. Like, I scalp Matrix, but I just only trade gold. You can apply the strategy to whatever you want to apply it to. Obviously, I would recommend doing the back testing first, but I only trade gold. I only need to trade gold. If you have a decent amount of capital, you don't need to trade any more than 1 or 2 pairs. You're not gonna, like this week, I only had 1 trade on Tuesday. I teach the full strategy, 100% Matrix. But I was just saying, to scalp, I scalp. It's a scalping strategy. It can be applied to mostly any pair, but I recommend applying it only to gold. But obviously, you can do that. You can do whatever you want, but make sure you back test on any other pairs. But yeah, this week, like, I've only had 1 trade this week. Last week, what did we do last week? Last week would have been the first of the month. Last week would have been first of the 5th. The week before that, I had a winning trade, a losing trade, and a break even. So yeah, like, what I'm basically trying to say is, like, it's more of it is a scalping strategy. You will catch trades, but if you're not going to be catching trades every single day, pretty much. It's it's something you gotta be patient with, take your time with. Like I said, if you have the capital, you're gonna make money, right? Where's my tea? Oh, no, Nimbus. What the hell, bro? Like, she's not bringing it in yet. Where's the cup of tea? Very much a trading news, so it's not perfect, but yeah, bro, Squizzy, like, you know, don't be too hard on yourself, bro. You know, you're in the markets, you're learning. You're on the you come to the streams, you show up to the streams mostly every day. I've seen, I think, and you're learning and you're applying it yourself. That's insane. So, you know, don't be too hard on yourself. Take it slowly. You seem like a solid dude. You seem like you got your head, you know, on your shoulders, and you know you're not an idiot, right? You're not someone who just thinks you're gonna come into this game and make loads of money, like, and be a millionaire by next week or next month. You know that it's not the reality. So, you know, I think you'll be fine. I know you'll be fine, actually. I thought you made them yourself. Oh, nah, hell no, bro. I don't make it myself. My wife brings it in. My wife brings it in for me. When have you seen me make the tea myself and leave the stream? Like, the tea just appears. It's like magic. Capital no issue, just need to be profitable. Well, yeah. If you do follow this strategy and you are disciplined and you follow the rules and you follow everything to the T and you work on your psychology, and you understand that trading is not just, you know, making profit. It's a whole different, there's layers to it, right? There's the trading, there's the psychology, and I would say the psychology is more important than the trading, because that's, like I say to people all the time, you can go out there and pick any strategy, and if you have the right mindset and you have the right, you know, you're in that right mental state, you're gonna be profitable. So, you know, if you apply all the techniques and the rules and the psychological aspect that I also teach in there as well, then I have no doubt you'll be profitable. Because if you want to join the, I'll give you the Discord link. I'll give you the Discord link, Matrix, and you can come in here and see what some of the members are doing. This is usually for just like private only, but I'll share it with you so you can come in, check out. It's that link right there, or I wonder if I can send it to you. Can you copy that link, Matrix? Did you short Euro USD? No, Thunder, I didn't. I don't trade Euro USD. What the fuck is this? Said. What say you? This is trading. This is Forex trading. This is gold. What say you? If you check the 15-minute time frame at 2319, you'll see a level of support. The 15-minute manually. Okay, bro. Yeah, I'm not sure why TikTok doesn't allow you to click links. Well, obviously for obvious reasons, because of spam and things like that. People spamming, like scamming links and things, but yeah, join the Discord. You'll see in there some of the members are killing it with the strategy. Tony, Nimbus, Nukebat, No Name, Mohan as well. A few other people from before, but yeah. Yeah, that's what he's doing. But you can only do that on iPhone, apparently, Thunder. You can't do that on Android, I don't think. But I didn't even know that was a thing until somebody said it today. It was always there the whole time. Maybe she hands it to you when I'm serving customers. Coincidence? Well, yeah, she doesn't like come into the screen, but she'll just like come around here to the side and like put it down very quietly. But yeah, usually you'll hear me saying like, "Oh, thank you," something like that, or like looking at her like, "Oh, thanks, babe." Oh, you're on Android and it works on Android? Okay, so yeah, So apparently if you screenshot and then you can just copy it. You hold it, so you just like hold down on the picture, right, of where the text is, and it will like highlights it, and you can copy it. Is that what it is? I never knew this was the thing, bro. That's crazy. That just shows how old I am. Getting old, man. Why do you have red and green candles? Oh, you got it? Yeah, nice. Oh, you send the photo to Google search and it gets the link out for you. Why do I have red and green candles? I don't even know how to answer that question. Oh, you're 50 matrix. Well, that makes me feel a bit better. I'm 31. Then my bad. I don't want to trouble your wife because she overheard you saying tea. She'll be like, fuck this guy. Yeah. She's probably like heard me shouting out tea multiple times now. Like I'm just here going, tea, bring me tea. But I look as young as you. I got asked for ID once. Man, I'm like, I haven't been asked for ID for a while. I used to get asked all the time. When I grow out some facial hair, they don't ask me for ID. But when I just clean shave, I look like sometimes I look like a 15-year-old kid. Like, it's ridiculous. Yeah, take a picture and auto detect text. Android. Oh, so you do auto detect text. What is gold doing? What is it doing? Let's have a look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is closed back above 2333, 865. It did break lows slightly over here. Pull back, retracing. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. See, 4 hour still looks decent for sales as long as, you know, the 4 hour highs aren't broken. But there's only 1 hour and 29 minutes left on this 4 hour candle. And if it is going to flip bearish and push down, it has to, you know, it has to flip back bearish by 100 pips, break the lows, and continue bearish past this level 2325 740. So I'm gonna say we'll probably get, if we do get sells below 2319395, it will probably be after PPI at this point, based on looking at this 4 hour candle. Unless we just see when is New York open? When is New York open? New York open is like, what time is it New York open? 10 o'clock. So New York actually opens in half an hour. So we could get some volume in here, right? If price starts pushing down, we potentially could get a sell. But like I said, it will have to push down a fair bit, which is possible with New York session open. But let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. It's all about patience. Patience is the key. Patience is the game. Yeah, definitely the facial hair. What's up, Shiesty? You can do the photo thing. Apparently it's on Android as well, Nimbus. Am I sticking around for PPI? I don't know. I use MT5 matrix. MT5. I'm currently bearish, JJ. I'm bearish for this 4 hour candle. Yeah, I was looking at moving over to C Trader matrix, but I don't know. Like MetaTrader is just solid. Their quotes, their servers, it's they're really good. Obviously, they're a very established company at this point, so you know they've got a solid setup. For example, I entered the same trade on MT5 as I did on CTrader. So I just copied the trade from MT5 to CTrader. And on MT5, like I went into drawdown. On MT5, my stops got hit. Sorry, on CTrader, my stops got hit, but at MT5 it didn't. Even though it was the same trade using the same broker, but one was on MT5, one was on CTrader. One hit stop loss and one didn't. So I'm not sure. I think just the MetaTrader servers and the things are just a little bit quicker, a little bit more precise, a little bit faster than CTrader at the moment. So I don't know. I'm happy with MetaTrader at the moment. What do you think of Lambo Rao? Anyone from Miami is dodgy for sure. Yeah, it was the same broker matrix. It was the same broker, just on different platforms. And literally, yeah, one lost and one ended up not hitting stop loss and going up and being a winning trade. I joined the Discord. Let's go. TradingView started too. Yeah. 1 second, guys. I'm just going to say goodnight to my daughter. 1 second. Bam, 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 bam. Sorry, guys, just saying goodnight to my daughter. Let's have a look. Are you funded? No, I'm not a funded trader. What is the way? I must say this guy sounds so genuine, honest. Yeah, I tried to be. I tried to be, man. Tries to be as honest and transparent as possible. How you get the rainbow color for the sessions? Oh, that's just an indicator on TradingView, Squizzy. So it's called Sessions by JR. What is it? JRFX. What's up, Sashi? What's up, bro? Haven't seen you in a while. When my computer wants to load. I've got this laptop. It's a good laptop. It's like a gaming laptop. So it can handle a lot. But sometimes when I've got like, I literally have probably like 10, 15 programs and things open right now. So sometimes it's a bit slow. Busy with class? No worries, bro. It's good, bro. Stay in school. Stay in school. Don't drop out of school to trade. You got it? Yeah, it's by JRFX. So Sessions by JRFX. And then purple is, I think I changed these colors actually. So it might, by default, it might be something different. But yeah, Asian session, London session, Where it goes to brown here, it goes from London into New York. And then when it goes to red, that is London close and New York session continuation. I'm not too shy to say I love you. I got no regrets. I also trade. I'm doing all right. Took 2 trades today. 1 on gold and 1 on USD. Both hit TP. Let's go, xauusd. Anyone catch CPI news last night? Yeah, we streamed for CPI last night and watched the move unfold. It's going to go to 2330, then up again to 2338. Colors are the same. Oh, so it's the default. Okay, I thought I changed it. But yeah, it's a good little tool to have, you know, so you can get used to each session and understand, you know, when each session finishes to get the highs and lows of each session, things like that. But I just use it to keep up with during these times. Like recently, the US clocks went forward or backwards, like daylight savings changed there. Then it changed in the UK. Then it changed over here in Australia. So the times where New York session and London session open kept switching and changing. So I just used it to keep track of those. But now I think we're done with the daylight savings changes around the world, right? In terms of America, Great Britain, and like over this side of the world. So now for me, it went from a couple months ago, New York session, London session starting at 5 p.m. So that's when I'd start trading. Now it's gone down to 3 p.m. It's like a 2-hour difference. Exactly. Yeah, I agree, bro. Psychology in trading is very hard. That's the one thing that people don't tell you about, or you know, don't educate you on, is the psychology part. Like people will always just sell you courses on strategies and things like that and indicators, but what they won't give you is you know, psychology lessons, or you know, like ways you can improve your psychology. And that does come with time and experience naturally, but there is some techniques you know, that can be applied that can help massively with psychology. I'm from Sydney. I'm from Melbourne, JJ, Melbourne. Stars, I missed that. Using an indicator for the, yeah, Bradley, that's just a sessions indicator, bro. So it will just tell you you know, what session it is at that current time. So Asian session, London session, New York session. So purple is Asian, green is London, brown is New York open, and then when it goes to red, that's London close and the New York continuation. I'm not too shy to say I love you. Time zones are hard to keep track of, yeah. What you just need to remember is that markets open local time usually, or pretty much all the time, I think, at 8 a.m. So that's when like, you know, things will start going online across the world from 8 a.m. banks and things like that. 8 a.m. local time, but it's just easier to just chuck this indicator on your chart and just look at it that way. I've been trading on and off for 3 years. It is lonely work, exactly, but you know, that's why it's beneficial to join a community sometimes. Come to streams like this maybe, or you know, anybody else's stream. You know, just start typing in the chats, having conversations with people, join some Discord groups, meet some friends. Because you're right, it is definitely lonely. Trading can be a very lonely career path. If you allow it to be, right? If you're more social and you get yourself out there and meet other traders and join communities, it can be much better. What I was thinking and what I'd actually love to do is hiring out like an office or something in the city maybe, or you know, somewhere. Obviously the city is going to be expensive, but hiring out like an office space and going there to trade for the day, maybe meeting some other traders around Australia or in Melbourne and being like, yo, let's meet up at the office, hang out, we'll all trade and shit like that. Like, that would be insane. I really want to do that. Which broker are you using? FP Markets Matrix. How many hours a day do you analyze for your daily trades? Yeah, so yeah, without the streaming, it takes me 15-20 minutes to do my analysis for the day. IC Markets is good as well, Matrix. I used to use IC Markets. Hello, I'm watching from Selangor, Malaysia. Let's go. Welcome to the stream, my guy. How you doing? That would be sick. Yeah, that would be insane. I really want to do. I've been looking at a couple of things lately, but yeah, that takes a lot of planning. Yeah, they are Matrix. They're regulated. Regulated in Australia. They have excellent reviews. Yeah, I am in no way affiliated with FP Markets, but they're an awesome broker. I actually genuinely love them. Really good broker. Very highly recommend them for sure. I'm not too shy, say I love you. One thing that excites me about trading is the ability to work from a laptop phone. Basically, my goal is to be able to travel and make trades for that half-an-hour period once I get good enough. Yeah, for sure, Squizzy. And I mean, you know, yo, Rayhan Jamil, appreciate the sub on YouTube, my guy. Welcome. If I obviously didn't have a family, you know, I'm not gonna say if I didn't have a family, but if I was single and things like that, that's 100% what I'll be doing. Traveling, trading, you know, it would be insane. But you know, I've got a daughter and can't really be doing that. The office trading idea is awesome, bro. I will fund it if you come for Sydney sessions. Bro, I'd 100%. I would love to do that one day. Just book a week in Sydney, hire out like an office, you know what I mean? We can all chill. Well, not even an office, but like a space. We can all chill, bring our laptops, trade, have some fun. Yeah, it is hard, but you know, you gotta be in an understanding relationship. You know, my partner obviously understands what I do and knows that I need time at certain time periods, so she knows when I trade, like the 3 p.m. To 7 p.m. She knows it's 4 p.m. You know, markets are opening. You're gonna go trade, and she supports me a lot. So keep calm. Just waiting. 2, 3, 4, 6 for all in Salah. I have two young girls, yeah. But I mean, you know, like, kids are insane, man. Like, you always hear that those sayings from parents, like, you know, wait till you're an adult, you know, your life's gonna change and this and that. And when you're young, you think, yeah, whatever, you know, kids. What's really gonna change about my life? But when you have kids, man, like, it's an insane feeling. What's best entry buy right now, sir? I'm not looking for buys at the moment. Does having a kid really change your view of things? Of course it does. Of course it does, Nimbus. When you don't have kids, you don't have to think about anything. But when you've got this little human being just standing there looking you in the eyes, like, you realize very quickly that you are everything to that human being, right? Their survival relies on you. And you just, some people can step up, like some men or, you know, even women, but some people can step up and be that person that kid needs. And some people can't. And, you know, this is why you see kids with no fathers or no parents, whatever, like, and that's sad. But yeah, it 100% changes you, bro. You just see the whole world in a different manner. You just don't give a fuck about anybody or anything anymore. All you care about is your daughter or your kids and getting them what they need, right? As soon as I had kids, I just became a savage. I was just like, I don't give a fuck about anyone or anything anymore. Like, I'm here for my daughter. I'm going to take care of my daughter. No one's going to stop me, you know? I just became confident and I was just like, had a purpose. I have a 6-month-old. Nice, Bradley. Yeah, my daughter's 16 months. So I'm still new-ish to the, you know, the parenting. I have a 7-year-old and an 8-month-old. Wow, Matrix, that's a big gap. I think traveling with family can be great too. Yeah, I agree, Enzo. I agree. 100% agree. I can't wait till I go on my first holiday with my daughter. Another friend of mine said something similar, yeah. I'd never choose to be a parent. Really, Nimbus? It doesn't interest you? I just want to trade full time. I'm over construction. How long have you been doing construction for, Matrix? Happy I'm not shooting blanks. I swear that's every man's nightmare, man. Before I had a kid, before I got my wife pregnant, I was like, man, I don't think I'm going to be able to have kids. Like, I swear we all get paranoid about it. I was just paranoid that I was going to shoot blanks as well, man. 21 years in construction, shit, that's a long time. I got 4 kids. It's great to be a father. Let's go. Love that. It doesn't interest you not in the slightest, Nimbus. I mean, fair enough. Some people it doesn't. Some people really don't care about, you know, having kids or being you know, being a parent or whatever. It is a lot of responsibility. It's a lot of responsibility for the rest of your life, pretty much. You know, like, as soon as you have kids, your life, your needs are not that important anymore, right? It's all about your kids. But that's why it's important to have a good relationship with, you know, finding the right partner, because if you find the right partner, raising kids and raising a family is going to be a breeze and it's going to be a nice time, right? But if you have the wrong partner and it's toxic and it's not a good environment and place to be in, then it's not going to be a good experience at all. Yo, Guri, thank you for the rose on TikTok. Appreciate you, my guy. Yeah, what's going on here, man? Gold. So 1 hour's made a bottom wick. On a flip bullish. We've got 7 minutes left of the 1 hour. We've got 1 hour and 7 minutes left of the 4. I would say at this point, again, same as last night, right? Price is kind of floating around, not really doing too much ahead of PPI. It's why I respect you. It's a big decision, big dedication. Far more than I can bear, yeah. I wanted kids ever since I was like 17, 18. Like, I've always wanted kids. Ever since I can remember. I don't know why. But I just always, ever since a young age, I couldn't wait to have my own family, have kids. And what, are you 35, Nimbus? Let's have a look at the daily, actually. Matter of fact, let's have a look at the weekly. Let's have a look how the weekly's playing out. I mean, we've got all-time highs printed. Nice bottom wick. Yeah, it's kind of floating around. This generally happens with weeks where we have, inflation, NFP, PPI. What else we got this week? Yeah, we just got PPI left. It's not really doing anything right now. Daily, previous daily candle was bearish. Bearish engulfing candle. We got 1, 2, 3 rejection. Nice pattern. So, to be honest, I see. Yeah. There's nothing you can really go off right now. There's no lows that have been broken, right? So if we're talking about yesterday's highs and lows, today's candle is floating in between highs and lows. No, nothing has been broken yet, so there's not really any momentum to the upside or the downside. We're talking at the 4 hour, the current 4 hour candle is floating also inside candle without breaking highs or lows yet. So on the daily and the 4 hour, currently right now, as we're looking at the chart, there's no momentum. Bro's got no idea, just talking nonsense. You gotta love the TikTok chat. I appreciate the comment, brother. People who read charts live on TikTok are dead set clowns. Wow. You don't even know me, my guy. But yeah, look at his name. I mean, I welcome all comments. It all helps with the algorithm. Bro doesn't even know me though, like he's literally just come in here and just talking shit. He's looking for a reaction. But yeah, floating inside bar candle, haven't broke the highs, haven't broke the lows. So for me, there's no momentum, no direction on gold as of right now. And again, that's just because of, in my opinion, PPI. Price is just floating in between, waiting for this news, which obviously happens a lot. Happened yesterday with CPI as well. 5,000 other people do the same thing and no one knows what's going to happen. That's the thing in trading, bro. So obviously you don't really have a clue what trading is, because obviously nobody knows what's going to happen. If everyone knew what was going to happen, we'd all be millionaires, my guy. If we could just predict what's going to happen, I could just sit here and make $1 million right now. But that's the whole thing about trading. You have a bias, you have your strategy, you have a plan, and you try and figure out, you know, you try and figure out what's going to happen, and you try and make profit off that. That's what trading's all about. I'm not telling anyone anything, my guy. I'm just here doing my own thing. I'm a trader. I like to trade. You know, I like to stream. I'm doing my thing. If people want to listen, then they can listen. If they don't, then they don't have to. I don't know why you're so angry, my guy. Who hurt you, man? Who hurt you? CPI hurt him. That's like saying Mike Tyson can predict every punch, yeah. And you keep mentioning everyone else. Like, I really don't care about everyone else, bro. I'm me. I'm not everybody else. I'm doing my thing. I could care less what everybody else is doing. I'm not a sheep, my guy. I'm a wolf. I make my own path. I knew that. I knew he'd react to that. He doesn't understand the concept. I mean, I don't know. He just seems very angry for some reason. That dude's a vlog. You only have to make successful calls 50% of the time if you manage risk well. Yeah, I agree, Bradley. I agree. Love watching your streams. Let's go, bro. I appreciate that. I mean, it's like everybody else, though. They come on here and it's like they expect, you know, for me to just go, everybody, ready, sell right now. You know, like people just want to be spoon-fed, you know, free trades and all this kind of stuff. You know, if they actually want to sit here and listen to, you know, real information and helpful things, then they don't like it. Daquan Williams, thank you for the follow, my guy. Welcome to the TikTok. Pouring his heartbreak. But my guy, you're the one who goes to all these streams and sees all these people saying the same thing, right? I don't. I don't sit here and watch everyone stream and go, oh, look, that guy said that, let me write that down. That guy said that, let me write that down. That guy said that, let me write that down. And then I'll just say it to my stream as well. Like, I'm just sitting here just being myself, bro. I'm just being me. I'm just trying to trade, trying to have fun with the people in the chat, have a nice, you know, have a nice chat about trading and try and connect, you know, have a nice community, be positive. You should try it sometime, bro. The positivity. If everyone says the same thing, if everyone says the same thing, then just don't watch streams anymore, man, if it's getting you that upset. I'm just a guy looking for some trades, man. I seem like a good bloke. I am a good bloke. What do you mean? I seem like a good bloke. Nah, it's all good, bro. It's all good, my guy. It's all good, my dude. I've heard worse. I've heard worse. Keep going. I feel like I've stopped your stream. Sorry to everyone else. Bro, you just killed the vibe, man. You killed the vibe. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm ending stream, man. I need to go. I need some tissue or something. I'm about to shed a tear. Nah, it's all good, bro. Don't stress about it, man. Don't stress. I feel your frustration, though. Honestly, if I'm being honest, I feel your frustration because it is all the same shit in trading, and that's why I decided to stream, and that's why I decided to share my experience and my thoughts, because I'm sure a lot of people in the chat will tell you, you know, I'm a genuine person. I'm very transparent. I'm not here flexing Rolexes and Lamborghinis and you know, that the fact that I've made, you know, $2 million trading or something like that. You know, I'm just an average guy, just doing my thing. We were in the middle of a 1 minute win. Whenever you're ready. Kill him with kindness, Nimbus. Kill him with kindness, man. I appreciate that as well, Matrix. Appreciate the comment. But it's TikTok, you know? You're going to get comments like that. You're going to get comments like that. It's TikTok. I expect it. Matter of fact, I live off that shit. That's what we're waiting for. So basically, I was looking for sales below 2319395. That's as price was coming down here into those levels. As price started coming down here. Based on the 4 hours, so if we go to the 4 hour time frame, you can see price on the 4 hour started selling off. There's a bit of a, not that I trade head and shoulders patterns, but there's a bit of a head and shoulders pattern going on here, as you can see. And then price started driving down towards this support area. So this is where I was looking for sells below, you know, this area and also this area down here. But then price for this 4 hour candle, price has just opened up and flipped back bullish. I was expecting it to make a top wick and then drive down and start breaking the 4 hour lows down in here. Didn't happen. And now price has flipped back bullish, and it's kind of playing around this level, the 2333865 level. So like I said, we got PPI coming up in like 25 minutes, right? So this potentially could be a pretty big move depending on the data, depending on the numbers. Forecast is 0.3, 0.2. So let's see previous. So previous PPI was 0.6. It's expected to be lower to 0.3. So let's see. Let's see if they keep it the same as 0.6, or if they do end up lowering it. That could be decent news for the US dollar, but yeah, we'll have to wait and see. At this point, we just gotta wait and see for. We just gotta wait and see what happens during yeah, this PPI news. PPI. Bro, he just went at me for some reason, man. Extremely hostile to apologizing in less than 2 minutes. Get ready for super beautiful waterfly. I used to live in Melbourne for work at Paran, worked at East Auckland. Oh yeah, I used to live around Paran actually. Quite when I first moved over to Australia, that's where I lived in around Paran. Nice area actually. All right, Squizzy, just oh yeah, no worries, bro. No worries. Yeah, we got PPI coming up soon. So I was gonna say, if you trade, just make sure you're wary of that. Appreciate you being here as always, Squizzy, my guy. Let's go. Appreciate that. No worries, Danny. Yeah, might as well just stay for PPI at this point. I don't think it's not gonna be as big as a move or reaction as CPI yesterday, but we'll get something. If we take a look at previous PPI, would have been last month over here somewhere at the start of the month. This one, I believe. No, this one. Oh, PPI here. PPI. So this was the last PPI on the 14th of March. And nothing really happened, to be honest with you. Price opened up and spiked down 55 pips. So we'll see. Sometimes you can get a big move, sometimes just, yeah. At least I think it's bro, yeah. Yeah, it's a dude, I'm pretty sure. We get to watch gold slash people's wallet together. I don't know if it's gonna. I mean, the numbers are looking previous 0.6, expected 0.3. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So if it stays the same, if they don't change, if the numbers don't change, if it stays at 0.6, then that's going to be good for the US dollar, and gold could spike down. Is what I'm gathering from that. Trust me, bro, if they are scalping, someone's going to get robbed, even if it's half wick candle, maybe. Shouldn't be so gory as your mind. No, I don't care, Nimbus. Say what you gotta say, bro. Say whatever it is you gotta say. In my profile matrix, the link for that. Catch you later, Bradley. Appreciate you stopping by as always, man. Big Brad. When you're ready, come and get it. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, you guys should get together, man. Like, having trading, you know, friends and having a nice trading community is beneficial, man. It's so good for you. You know, I've grown that small account to $107 in the last 12 days. Wait, Nimbus, you grew what? So what did you start with? $21 to $107 in 12 days. Damn, son. $21 to $107 in 12 days. No losses since the 28th last month. Bro, you're just doing better than me at this point. The student has well and truly become the teacher. All because of me? Nah, bro. I mean, that's all you, bro. You was able to, you know, take the information and apply it yourself. Not everybody can do that. You need to give yourself some credit. You're the one who is taking the trades, my guy. I think if I hadn't found you when I did, I'd still be losing in reversals. Yeah, you did used to trade reversals, didn't you? Do you still look at that strategy? Do you still follow it along and see how it's all playing out? Or have you just completely like forgot it at this point? Then we go visit Cody Mal. It's going to 2330. 2330. You think so? You think so, Lee? Why is that your analysis? Not saying it's wrong or anything, but like, I'm interested to hear the analysis on that. Why you think it's going there? What's up, Harangad? Welcome back. I dropped it all for your strategy. That's crazy that you've had no losses since the 28th though, Nimbus. Like, even I've had losses within that time, I think. Yeah. Last loss I had was on the 2nd of this month. $768. Down the drain. Can you teach me a strategy, Nimbus? I mean, if you're that consistent, then obviously I don't think it's luck. Use the indicator as well. That's lit. TP at 2318. 2318. That's what I'm looking for. Sales below. Is that your first 10k this year? How about last year? What do you mean first 10k? Like the first 10k account I've had, or 10k profit? Yeah. 15. Wait, is it half past or 20 past? Oh, it's half past. 15 minutes. 15 minutes, Enzo. Yeah, 10k. Yeah. So that was, yeah, no, that was just started at the start of this year. I just wanted to start a new account and start tracking all the trades. I did track all my trades before that, but it wasn't in a journal. It was more so like on my computer. Like I just tracked them all, took screenshots and notes and stuff in my computer like this in folders. But in terms of actually using a journal to track it like this, I just started this year. Gonna enter a paper trade soon when it hit 2333. Like I've always tracked my trades, but I did at one point I did make my own Excel spreadsheet, but it wasn't that great, and like I try to code it all myself and stuff, and my girlfriend kind of knows how to do that stuff, and she helped me, but it wasn't that great, so I ended up just deleting that. But I used that for like a year. But yeah, like it ended up getting messed up. I don't know what happened with the code, but all the numbers got messed up. Like it completely messed up all my stats. I lost all of my stats for the year that I tracked it. So then that's why I just went and started using this one that was already created by somebody. And it's just more simple that way. Is 2318 a stretch? Not necessarily. I mean, if you're looking at the lower time frames, it's going to be a stretch. I mean, it's like over 150 pips. But I mean, gold especially during New York session, gold can definitely move 150 pips with ease. So strong again. This is the 5 minute. But if you go on to like the 1 hour, the 4 hour, it doesn't, you know, it doesn't look that. Obviously, it doesn't seem like that much of a stretch, to be fair. Full-time matrix. So with the trading, the education, and you know, a couple of other things, but mainly trading. That's why I've started streaming, and I do, you know, the education part. I'm trying to create like multiple sources of income, and I'm only doing what people are asking for, right? Like I just get bombarded with messages all the time, like, how do you trade? You know, can you teach me? Blah blah blah. So, you know, I didn't really want to be like another one of those traders that are selling a course, but like people, literally everyone was just bombarding me, asking me for it, asking if they can pay for one-on-ones. You know, they'll pay me all this or that. So I was just like, you know what? I'll just do it. I never really like, yeah. You won't see me promoting it that much because I don't like to promote it, to be fair. But you know, I'm just giving people what they're asking for. After tax, the last couple of years, you know, average salary in Australia, like 80 to 100. I am by no means a millionaire or anything like that, if that's what you're thinking. I would teach everyone if I knew I was. Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, I actually really enjoy it. It's just the whole stigma that comes with being a trader and offering education, right? Because everyone just judges you straight away. Like, I've had so many people come in, and once they realize that I have a course or education for sale, they just go off on me like, oh, another trader, you know, selling a course, you're a scammer. Like, I get called all sorts of things, you know, and I'm just like, yo, like, you know, chill out. But yeah, I enjoy streaming, you know. That could be another source of income if the streams become relatively successful. You can make a decent side income off streaming. You got the education, you got the trading. I want to start investing in some property. I want to open a couple small businesses, something that doesn't involve a lot of my time, like, you know, something like a car wash maybe, or a laundrette, things like that. Laundrettes apparently can make big money if you get the right location. You just literally buy the setup and then just leave it. You know, small maintenance, rent, things like that. I'm gonna slowly get into. It's funny, I got a mate into Forex and he's doing well. Yeah, I'm in and out all the time. So what do you live by him, Matrix? Do you keep in contact with him? What does he trade? That's my goal, to have location freedom and time freedom. Just have one training session and 3 day. Yeah, that's all it is, man. If you see someone out there saying that, you know, they're trading like Asian session, London session, New York session, that is not something that you want to be doing, right? That's not enticing to me at all. I might as well just go and get a 9-to-5 job, you know what I mean? And sit at a desk all day in an office. You want a couple of hours a day max, make your money, boom, and you're done. What do I think PPI is going to do? Let's see. We don't predict, we react. PPI by 1. Yeah, it's in 8 minutes. Do you know what strategy he trades and things like that, Matrix? He's a genuine family guy too. Oh, nice. Love that. To be honest with you, I would, you know, I think having a job to some extent and trading is beneficial, but then obviously it becomes the tax and everything like that is going to be a problem. But the thing I find when, you know, working at home or trading full time is the free time you get in the day. And you might think you'd be able to fill that free time, but for me, I'm a very active person, and it drives me crazy, you know, being at home and being around the house all the time. So, you know, I can work out, you know, that maybe takes like half an hour, you know, create some content. I'll maybe take an hour. Like being at home all day, every day, like is killing off my mind. So I need to find something to do with my spare time. Doing very well in binaries. Oh, okay. Harmonic patterns. I have heard of harmonic patterns. I've never really looked into it though. I can't put the results in your Discord. Show newcomers can see what you teach works. Oh, I appreciate that, Nimbus. Yeah, I love that. That's why I wanted you to start posting in there. Oh, they do see the daily post for sure. New around here, what kind of trader are you and what are you looking for when putting trades on? What's happening the relaxing space? So I'm I would say more of a scalper day trader. What do you look for? So what I look for is based on price action, based on multi-time frame analysis. I look for momentum. I look for a clear direction in the market from the weekly down to the 4 hour. And I look for entries on the 1 hour and the 5 minute based on breakouts of key levels, and some price action pattern setups as well. Harringab, what's up? What's the question? Price action is best. Yeah, price action is always going to be learning how to read the charts and read the candles is always going to be way more beneficial than any indicator or type of, you know, whatever it may be. Order block, Fibonacci, FVG, whatever all these techniques are, which are all basically just price action techniques, just renamed and rebranded to make it sound fancy and to be able to sell you, you know, crazy things like buy and sell side liquidity, order blocks, fair value gaps, all this stuff. Like it's all price action. When I paper trade, should I risk what I would risk, what I would realistically, or just put in 10k, see if it doesn't matter? When you're paper trading, yeah, try and stick to what would be, what you would be trading if you were trading your real capital, right? So then you can get used to, you know, the kind of ins and outs of it. Where did I learn the strategy? Just by literally when I first started, I was spending 10 plus hours a day on the charts. You know, just for like 3 years, I was on the charts for 10 hours just trying to figure out how to trade. And so eventually, you know, I went through everything, as I mentioned earlier, all types of indicators, all kind of strategies, EAs, you know, order blocks, Fibonacci, moving averages, whatever you can think of, I tried it, right? So in the end, I realized that none of it was working, and it, you know, it can work to some extent, but it's not very consistent, right? Like relying on indicators and certain tech, you know, tools to trade is just, it's not going to be consistent enough for you, because you're literally relying on information based on something else that you don't really know how it works, right? Whereas if you learn price action and you learn how to read the charts yourself, you know how it works, you know what you're looking for. It's based on your own analogies and your own, you know, kind of thought process. So I just, yeah, it just came from me spending hours and hours and hours for years just looking at the charts, trying to figure out how to read candles. And what I would do is I would just look, for example, if I was to look at a move like this, or like this, right? When price moves like that in a certain direction, I would analyze these moves on all time frames, and I would see how I could have entered a trade to get in on this move, right? Same as this one. I would analyze all time frames and try to understand why this move happened and why this move happened, right? Sometimes it can be because of news. Other times it's just simply price action. So just backtest, look for moves in the market, big moves, and try and figure out how you could have got in that move. What's up, Squizzy? Squizzy's on the TikTok. Let's go. Yeah, but basically just gathered all types of different information over the years, Matrix. And that came from doing, you know, a couple of courses and things like that. Like the courses that I did were very generic courses, though. It was more like support and resistance course, like a break and retest of a support and resistance, or a Fibonacci course on how to use the Fibonacci properly. You know, none of it was actually teaching you how to, you know, how to actually read price action and candle patterns. It was just like, here's this tool, here's how you draw support and resistance. You wait for a resistance to form, you wait for a break and a retest, and then you enter on the retest, right? And then vice versa for a support. So they did help in some way to help me better understand the markets, you know, get me up to date, because I was a beginner at that point. I didn't have a clue what Forex was at all. So the courses did help. Being part of communities also definitely helped. Meet some really cool people, which, you know, helped me along the way. But in terms of, like, you know, this strategy now, I just literally learned this myself just by staring at the charts. You could have gotten on the pullback there, massive FVG. FVG from what time frame? You use fib in your current system? I actually do use fibs. Oh, here we go. News is coming out. Here we can see we're getting the move. I do use fibs in my current strategy, but not in the generic way. I don't trade Fibonacci. Like, I don't trade retracements, or I don't look for entries off of the golden zone, as you guys would know, right? You guys know that I trade breakouts of key levels, but the fib does come into play with me finding those key levels sometimes, which I show and show you guys in the academy. Man, I have every book, paid courses, EAs and indicators, info overload. Yeah, 100%, Matrix. I agree with that. You can be definitely information overload. You made your own indicators and EAs? Shit, that's crazy. He was about to enter. Yeah, this is news, Harringad. This is news now. This is PPR, my bro. That's what that big move was. News is weird. Yeah, so let's have a look at the numbers. Let's see what happened. Let's see what the where is it? Let's see what the numbers were here. So let's have a look. So we had a mixed bag, really. So core PPI stayed the same, right? It was the same as forecasted, so there's no real impact there. PPI then actually was negative, so bad for the dollar. But then unemployment claims was positive, so it was good for the dollar. So it was a mixed bag. So that's why you saw it jump up, then jump back down. Now it's jumped back up again. So yeah, mixed news, and you're seeing it in the price action. What's my strategy? My strategy is breakout. Price action, breakout. PABO. PABO. I was going to say killing spree when it flickered, but it didn't blast off yet. But look where it's come and tapped into. This level again. 2333865. And you want to know what this level is? You go to the daily. It's literally just yesterday's daily candle closure and today's daily candle open. You see this blue line? This is where yesterday's daily candle closed and today's daily candle opened, which is acting as a very nice level of support and resistance right now. Do the auto AI buy sell things work? I have no idea. What is that you're talking about, Harringad? Sounds interesting. I'm all for AI, man. I think AI is great. Get ready, 2346, all in sell, 2346. Staffield's entry is your take profit, Harringad. Interesting. My friend gambles on this. He's like, buy both directions on $200 account. I mean, if you got the money to do it, why not? Have a bit of fun, you know? It's only like going to the casino and just, you know, putting some money on black or red or, you know, something like that. It's gambling, but girlfriend called me at 10:29. Oh no, Squizzy. Was you trying to be all like nice, like, oh babe, how are you? But really, you're just like, God damn it, get off the phone. Appreciate you, Matrix. No worries, man. Go spend time with your family. Appreciate you. Yeah, I'm live Monday to Friday. If you want to join the streams again, have a chat. Yeah, no worries, Matrix. No worries. I know you shouldn't. I know you shouldn't move your stop loss, but can you move your TP lower if you think the price won't reach there? I mean, you can move your stop loss. You can move your stop loss. You can. There's such thing as a trailing stop loss, things like that, where, you know, for example, if you entered a trade, you know, let's say, for example, you entered a sell over here, and you put your stop loss there, and you'll take profit down here. As price is dropping and coming down, right? Once this 5-minute candle closes, you can trail your stop loss underneath there. And then once the next one closes, you can move to break even, things like that. So you can move stops. And yeah, you can move take profits as well if you think it's all about reacting to the current market conditions and you know, situation, right? If you don't think price is going to get there, then something you can do is take some profits, maybe take 75% of the profits and let 25% or however much percent run, right? And to see if it will actually hit your full take profit. Wow. How do you know if the news is buy or sell? You don't. You don't, Basil. Basil. You don't, bro. You only know when it happens. You can't predict news. I promise you. I already buy at 2332. Can I try stick to my TP 2365? Yeah, 100%. 2365 is quite far away, but if that's your analysis and that's your plan, that's your strategy, then definitely stick to it, bro. What's happened? News happened, bro. All right, TikTok, I'm out, boys. I'm out. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the love in the TikTok. I'll be live tomorrow, Friday. Let's see if we can catch a trade. We've had CPI and PPI today, so you know I don't like trading during these times. I like to protect my capital. I was looking for some trades, but you know, didn't quite happen in pre-learning session. But yeah, we'll be live tomorrow. Let's see what happens tomorrow. See if we can catch a trade. I don't think there's any more news now for the rest of the week. I'm pretty sure. So tomorrow, definitely we're good. We got a few things, but I wouldn't necessarily call these you know, high impact. GDP potentially on pound, but obviously we're not trading pound at the moment. We're just trading gold. So yeah, tomorrow should be good. But yeah, appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate you guys. You guys are crazy. You guys went crazy in the TikTok again today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you later, Squeezy, man. Yeah, that's not who we are. YouTuber. Yeah, well, he lost on both accounts when it flickered, so there was a killing. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I was gonna say, like, depending on your stop, like, if he didn't have a stop loss, then he'd probably be alright. Surely. I know he'd probably get taken. Yeah, he'd probably get taken out with all the spreads due to, like, he probably got margin called or something, right? Probably got margin called. But anyway, YouTube, I'm out. Appreciate you guys. He was willing to lose it all. He was willing to lose it all. But yeah, I'm out. Appreciate you, Nimbus. Stay strong, brother. Stay disciplined. Don't over trade, you know. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm sure you'll be posting in the Discord tonight or in the morning with more trades. All right, guys. Peace out. See you all tomorrow.